Welcome to Fin Freedom Network. For years, people around the world have searched for one thing: financial freedom. But let's be honest, traditional systems have not always worked in favor of ordinary people. Inflation continues to rise, opportunities often become harder to access, and many people spend years working inside systems they do not fully control. At the same time, a new digital revolution is taking place. Blockchain technology, smart contracts, digital assets, decentralized ecosystems. These innovations are changing the way people think about participation, ownership, and opportunity. And that's where Fin Freedom Network, also known as FFN, enters the picture. FFN is a blockchain-powered digital ecosystem designed to bring together technology, structured participation, education, token utility, NFTs, community growth, and future decentralized governance. Rather than focusing on a single concept, FFN aims to create a connected ecosystem where different components work together to support long-term development. Inside this ecosystem, you'll find the F-Freedom Program, NFT infrastructure, token systems, educational resources, marketplace opportunities, and a vision that extends toward DAO-based governance. Now, before we understand how FFN works, let's quickly look at why many digital projects struggle. Many projects are built around short-term excitement. Some rely heavily on hype. Some lack transparency. Others have no structured progression model. And when there is no long-term foundation, sustainability becomes difficult. FFN was designed with a different approach. The ecosystem is built around smart contract automation, transparent distribution, structured participation, and long-term continuity. At the center of FFN is the F-Freedom Program. This program is powered by what is called the Triple P Orbi. Triple P orbit engine consists of three different orbit structures: P4, P12, and P39. Together, these three systems create a structured participation framework designed to support onboarding, distribution, progression, recycling, and continued activity throughout the ecosystem. The system contains 10 progressive levels. The journey begins with level 1 at $10 and continues through higher levels as participants progress through the ecosystem. Each level operates within one of the three orbit structures. As levels increase, the orbit depth and participation structure also expand. Let's begin with P4. P4 is the simplest orbit structure. It contains 4 positions in total. 3 positions act as payout positions. 1 position acts as a recycle position. As positions are filled, the participant receives 90% payouts from the first 3 positions. A 10% system allocation is applied to qualifying transactions. According to the structure, this allocation supports NFT infrastructure, ecosystem development, and operational sustainability. When the 4th position is completed, the orbit recycles and the level reopens for another participation cycle. P4 also supports automatic progression. A portion of qualifying payouts contributes toward an upgrade reserve. Once the reserve reaches a total of 200%, the next level activates automatically. The second structure is P12. As the name suggests, P12 contains 12 positions. These positions are divided into 2 rings. The first ring contains 3 positions. The second ring contains 9 positions. Every activation inside P12 distributes rewards across qualified positions according to the structure. 40% is directed to an eligible participant in the first ring, 50% is directed to an eligible participant in the second ring, and 10% goes towards system allocation. One important feature inside P12 is round-robin spillover. This helps distribute activity throughout the orbit rather than concentrating activity in one location. Auto upgrade also exists inside P12. As qualifying payments accumulate and reach 200%, the next level activates automatically. Additional qualifying payments can then trigger recycle and reopen the level. Now let's move to the most advanced structure, P39. P39 contains 39 positions divided across 3 rings. The first ring contains 3 positions. The second ring contains 9 positions. The third ring contains 27 positions. Every activation distributes rewards according to the orbit structure. 20% flows to the first ring, 20% flows to the second ring, 50% flows to the third ring, and 10% goes towards system allocation. Because rewards are distributed across multiple rings, P39 creates a larger participation framework designed to support deeper ecosystem activity. Like the other structures, P39 also includes spillover, auto-upgrade, and recycle functionality. As upgrade reserves accumulate and reach the required threshold, the next level activates automatically. After completion, qualifying recycle events reopen the orbit for continued participation. Another important concept inside FFN is upgrade flexibility. Auto-upgrade is designed as a one-time progression event for each level. Once a level successfully upgrades to the next level, that same level will not trigger another automatic